Create a new document. Access the General Data section. Fill in the project's general data. Define the chapter's structure to which to assign the price list items. Organize works according to a desired structure using 3 different levels of categories. Or create a WBS structure to assign the items of the calculation. Configure the integer and decimal part for the numeric fields. Define any fixed or variable rounding and the parameters for items and subitems. Customize your printouts with logos and page header data. Assign project roles for each of the document signature types or even create new ones. Then define the language ordering and which of the 5 unite rates to show in your estimate documents by default.